Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make Nigerian fried rice. If you have not had this before, you're gonna love this recipe. So first you want to wash your rice. You want to make sure that you remove any extra starch. Just wash with hot water and wash until the water becomes clear like this. In boiling water, I add beef stock. I usually eyeball this. I like to have more stock than water. And then I added chicken seasoning, beef stock cube, scotch bonnet pepper, and then pour your rice and allow to cook. Oh, by the way, I added dried shallots. If you don't have this, that's fine. You can use dried onions, and I added some curry powder. Now cutting my pre-cooked liver. I seasoned my liver with salt and a little bit of beef stock. Cut the liver into small cubes like this. Now my rice is ready. I cooked my rice for about 12 minutes. So the rice is ready. I'm just going to stir everything together. At this point, my kitchen smells so good, guys. You're going to love this recipe, trust me. So if you're enjoying the videos so far, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and please share. Okay, so now you're going to fry the liver in hot oil. I did not add anything to the oil, just fry. I left my liver for a few minutes. I almost burnt it, so be watchful when you are cooking yours. So I'm using mixed vegetables for this fried rice recipe. Ideally, I love to use fresh vegetables, but it was just a quick dinner and this was what we had in the freezer. Okay, so I added a bit of curry and chicken seasoning. So I added the fried liver to my vegetables. Now I'm going to add in my rice. Just allow it to fry and absorb all the liquid. So at this point, you just need to keep stirring everything together. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, bye bye.